For more than a century, the automotive industry followed virtually the same formula for manufacturing vehicles, and joined together by a huge number of welds, screws, and structural components. This model allowed millions of cars to be mass-produced, but it also created extremely complex, expensive, and time-consuming processes. Now Tesla believes, though, time has come to completely change this logic, introducing a manufacturing concept that could redefine the future of the automotive industry. Elon Musk has once again captured the market's attention by presenting details of a new generation of factories capable of operating with an unprecedented level of automation. Instead of relying on hundreds or thousands of workers performing repetitive tasks, the company is betting on intelligent robots capable of executing virtually every stage of production with impressive speed and precision. This strategy aims not only to increase productivity, but also to eliminate bottlenecks that have limited the traditional automakers for decades. The main goal of this transformation is to create a factory so efficient that the manufacturing process itself becomes the company's main competitive advantage. For Musk, manufacturing an excellent car is not enough. The real difference lies in the ability to build that vehicle faster, at a lower cost, and using fewer resources. This vision completely changes how the automotive sector views innovation, placing industrial engineering at the heart of Tesla's strategy. Among all the projects currently under development, the Cybercab perhaps represents the greatest symbol of this new philosophy. The vehicle was conceived from the outset to take advantage of a production method completely different from that used by conventional automobiles. Each component was designed to facilitate automated manufacturing, reducing unnecessary operations and allowing the process to take place at a pace that is virtually unbelievable by current industry standards. According to projections presented by Tesla, the Cybercab could be assembled in approximately 40 seconds when production reaches maturity. This number is impressive because it represents a gigantic reduction in the time normally required to manufacture a complete automobile, while other automakers still need several hours to complete a single vehicle. Tesla intends to set a new standard for speed without compromising quality, safety, or precision. This advancement is only possible because the company decided to abandon several traditional concepts of automotive manufacturing. Instead of continuously increasing the number of robots, workers, and assembly stations, Tesla opted to radically simplify the entire industrial architecture. The central idea is to reduce the number of parts, decrease intermediate operations, and create a much cleaner, faster, and more efficient production flow. One of the most important technologies of this revolution is called the Gigacasting. It is a gigantic casting machine capable of producing enormous structural components in a single piece of aluminum. Instead of manufacturing hundreds of small components and then joining them together through thousands of welds, this press creates large, complete sections of the vehicle almost all at once. The impact of this change is enormous. When hundreds of parts cease to exist, countless welding points, fittings, screws, and adjustments necessary during assembly also disappear. This drastically reduces the possibility of defects, decreases manufacturing time, and simplifies the entire production chain. At the same time, fewer components mean fewer suppliers, less parts transportation, and much more efficient logistics. Another important benefit is related to the vehicle's structural quality. Large cast parts have fewer joining points, reducing areas potentially vulnerable to deformation or wear over time, contributing both to the safety of the occupants and to the dynamic performance of the car while driving. The use of Gigacasting also profoundly alters the design of the factories themselves. Enormous lines filled with robotic arms performing thousands of welds are no longer necessary. In their place, much more compact, organized, and efficient processes emerge, allowing Tesla to significantly reduce the space occupied by production without sacrificing the ability to manufacture a large number of vehicles daily. However, the Gigacasting represents only a part of this industrial transformation. Tesla realized that simplifying structural components was only the first step. The real efficiency gain would come when the entire assembly logic was completely redesigned, abandoning the traditional linear system used by automakers since the beginning of the last century. It was precisely from this reflection that the so-called unboxed process was born. Instead of building the car following a single assembly line, each important part of the vehicle is produced independently in different areas of the factory. Thus, several assemblies can be put together simultaneously, reducing bottlenecks and drastically accelerating final production. In this new model, the car is divided into 6 main modules. Each module brings together specific components that can be installed separately by specialized teams and robots. Only in the final stages are these assemblies joined together to form the complete vehicle. This approach eliminates long movements within the factory and makes the process much more efficient. While one team installs the front assembly, another can prepare the rear structure. In a third area, robots assemble the electrical system, while another sector receives the vehicle's interior. All these activities happen simultaneously, allowing several operations to proceed in parallel, something impossible in the conventional assembly line used by most manufacturers. This modular strategy significantly reduces the time each vehicle spends in the factory. Instead of waiting for one step to finish before starting the next, virtually all processes happen in a synchronized manner, reducing investments and improving equipment utilization. The financial benefits of this new system are also noteworthy. Tesla estimates that the combination of Gigacasting and the unboxed process could reduce total manufacturing costs by approximately 50%. If this goal is achieved, the company will gain a competitive advantage that will be extremely difficult for traditional automakers to match. This cost reduction doesn't just mean increased company profits. It also opens up opportunities to manufacture electric vehicles that are much more affordable for the end consumer. With cheaper processes, Tesla will be able to lower prices, expand its market share, and further accelerate the global transition to electric vehicles, putting pressure on all competitors to seek equally innovative solutions. Even with so many technological advancements, Tesla makes it clear that this revolution isn't just about robots or giant machines. The real difference lies in how all these technologies work together within a carefully planned factory. Each step has been redesigned to eliminate waste, reduce unnecessary movements, and create a productive system that could establish a new chapter in the history of automobile manufacturing. Beyond the structural simplification promoted by Gigacasting and the unboxed process, Tesla has also invested heavily in the evolution of techniques used to join the different components of the vehicle. Instead of relying exclusively on traditional welding methods, the company combines various modern technologies capable of offering greater precision, strength, and durability. Each method is chosen according to the specific function of the part, ensuring that the final result is simultaneously lightweight, robust, and highly reliable. Among these technologies is resistance welding, a process widely used in the automotive industry, but which at Tesla has been taken to a new level of efficiency thanks to automation. In this method, high-intensity electric currents generate enough heat to join metal sheets without the need for additional materials. As everything is controlled by high-precision robots, each weld point maintains exactly the same quality standard, reducing defects and increasing structural reliability. Another essential technology is laser welding. Unlike conventional welding, lasers produce extremely thin, clean, and precise weld beads, reducing heat-induced deformation. This allows for the joining of delicate components with enormous accuracy, preserving their mechanical properties and improving the final finish. Furthermore, the process occurs at high speed, helping to maintain the accelerated pace of the production line. Tesla also uses state-of-the-art structural adhesives to complement its mechanical joining systems. The materials used by the company have extremely high strength and are specially developed for industrial applications. These compounds better distribute stresses across the vehicle's structure, reducing localized stresses and increasing body rigidity. The combination of resistance welding, laser welding, and structural adhesives creates a much more efficient structure than any single technique. Each method offers specific advantages, and when used together, they provide an ideal balance between lightness, strength, durability, and safety. This integration demonstrates how Tesla seeks to optimize every detail of manufacturing, always striving to extract the maximum possible performance from its industrial processes. Another sector that has undergone profound transformations is vehicle painting. In a conventional factory, this stage represents one of the most delicate and expensive processes in automotive production. Any dust particle, temperature variation, or change in humidity can compromise the finish, generating visible defects that require rework and increase manufacturing costs. To avoid these problems, Tesla has developed highly controlled environments for its paint booths. The air passes through sophisticated filtration systems, while sensors constantly monitor temperature, humidity, and air circulation. This rigorous control significantly reduces the possibility of imperfections, allowing the paint to be applied evenly and with excellent visual quality. Automation also plays a key role in this stage. Specialized robots apply the paint following extremely precise paths, ensuring uniform thickness across the entire surface of the vehicle. Since there is no variation caused by human movement, material waste is reduced and quality remains consistent across thousands of cars produced daily. Even with all this evolution, Tesla is already working on an even more revolutionary solution for certain models. The Cybertruck, for example, uses stainless steel exterior panels that virtually eliminate the need for traditional painting. In this case, the material itself offers finish resistance and protection against corrosion, further simplifying the production process. Eliminating painting would reduce costs, energy consumption, chemical use, and production time, making factories even more efficient and sustainable. All this transformation reveals a striking characteristic of Elon Musk's strategy. Tesla directs a large portion of its resources toward reinventing the manufacturing process. In Musk's vision, building better cars depends directly on the ability to manufacture more intelligently. This philosophy became known internally as the idea that the factory is the product. In other words, it's not enough to develop an innovative vehicle. It's necessary to create an industrial system capable of producing that vehicle on a large scale, with high quality and reduced costs. According to Musk, this capability will be the true competitive differentiator in the coming decades. Interestingly, this vision was also built upon past mistakes. During the development of the Model 3, Tesla attempted to automate virtually every stage of production. The expectation was that robots would perform almost all tasks, drastically reducing the need for human intervention. Some operations proved to be far more complex than the engineers had imagined. Flexible components, electrical cables, internal finishes, and minor adjustments required a level of adaptation that the robots available at the time simply could not provide. In many situations, human workers resolved difficulties in a few seconds, while automated systems experienced delays or failures. Elon Musk himself later acknowledged that he had overreacted in his pursuit of full automation. In a statement that became quite well known, he stated that humans are underestimated, admitting that some tasks continue to be performed more efficiently by people than by machines. This experience significantly changed the company's industrial strategy. Today, Tesla adopts a much more balanced approach. Robots take on repetitive, heavy, dangerous tasks that require extreme precision, while skilled workers remain responsible for operations that depend on flexibility, quick decision-making, and the ability to adapt to unexpected situations. This integration between human intelligence and advanced automation has become one of the cornerstones of the company's new production model. Instead of completely replacing employees, Tesla seeks to utilize each resource precisely where it offers the greatest efficiency. The result is a faster, smarter, and much more resilient factory in the face of the challenges of large-scale production. Another important aspect is that this strategy facilitates future assembly line upgrades. Since the modular process allows for the reorganization of different areas of the factory with relative ease, this reduces investment, accelerates launches, and offers greater flexibility to respond to market changes. Experts believe that if all these technologies achieve the expected results, the automotive industry could experience its greatest transformation since the creation of the assembly line by Henry Ford. Just as mass production revolutionized the 20th century, the combination of gigapriests. As Tesla refines this new manufacturing model, expectations are also growing regarding the reaction of traditional automakers. Companies that have invested billions for decades in factories based on conventional processes are now watching the American manufacturers progress with great attention. If the strategy truly delivers the promised results, it will be inevitable that much of the industry will begin to study ways to adapt its own production lines to compete on a level playing field. This adaptation, however, will not be simple. Many automakers have facilities built over decades, designed for processes entirely different from those used by Tesla. Modernizing these factories will require billions of dollars in investment, as well as profound changes in engineering, logistics, and team organization. In many cases, it may be more viable to build new units from scratch than to renovate old structures. Another challenge involves the entire supply chain. For years, thousands of companies have specialized in producing small parts for conventional car assembly. If components previously manufactured separately are replaced by large cast parts produced directly by gigapriests, this change could also profoundly alter the logistics of the automotive industry. With fewer individual parts circulating between different factories, the transportation of components will be simplified. Trucks will carry smaller volumes, inventories can be reduced, and supply chain management will become much more efficient. This optimization represents savings not only for Tesla, but potentially for the entire sector. Environmental impacts also deserve highlighting. Reducing the number of parts means lower consumption of raw materials, less waste during manufacturing, and lower energy expenditure in welding and assembly processes. Furthermore, contributing to a reduction in the carbon footprint of vehicle manufacturing. Another important benefit is related to the final quality of the automobiles. The fewer the number of components and assembly steps, the lower the possibility of manufacturing errors. This reduces rework, improves vehicle reliability, and lowers the costs associated with warranty and maintenance. For the consumer, this can mean more durable cars with fewer problems throughout their lifespan. With fewer pieces of equipment performing repetitive welding and assembly operations, the need for constant maintenance of these systems also decreases. This reduces downtime, increases the availability of production lines, and improves the return on investment for the company.